Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. I do all sorts of unboxings, but my favorite one just came in the mail today, which is my L&D accessory box. If you have not tried this box, you need to try it at least once. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and as always, a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, thank you as always. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And if you just subscribe, thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's get into the box. This is my third unboxing of this box, and they have all sorts of fun stuff in here. They have accessories, clothing, jewelry, just a bunch of fun items. And I think I see some Twizzlers. Okay, who does not like Twizzlers? They're gonna be gone. And I think you can have them on a diet, so no problem there. Then when you open it, comes your little catalog with everything that's in the box and how much it costs. And I'm not gonna peek. I know a lot of people have posted their unboxings already, and it was so hard for me not to look. I just wanted to be surprised. And it comes nicely packaged with tissue paper, and there is a card from my stylist, and her name is Marina, and they put a picture on there. They super personalize this box for you, so I really do enjoy this one. And again, everything that's in the box, so I'm not gonna peek, but just so you can see, there is just a ton of fun stuff in here. So the first thing is in this blue satin bag. And these bags are great to keep your jewelry and everything in, especially when you travel. Oh my God, this is beautiful. It's a bracelet, and it's in obviously a color that I like since my nails are done on that. And it slides, let's see, does it slide so you can make it so you can fit into it, or did I just make it smaller? I apologize. When I get such great products, it just kind of, all right, I'm gonna figure this out, and hopefully by the time I post the video, I'll have figured it out. But that is beautiful. The next thing with their name on it, I bet, is sunglasses. And these cases rock. Look at how sturdy that case is. Now these look a little big, but look at what's on the side. These are like movie star sunglasses. Wish I had these when I went to Mexico. What do you think? Do you think I can get away with these big sunglasses? And then just leave a comment below if you'd like my autograph. I'd be more than happy to send it to you. Love the sunglasses. Oh my God, I don't know what to open. Oh my goodness. Sandals. How awesome are these sandals? Especially being out in Arizona and just walking back and forth to the pool. I don't think they're my size, so that could be an issue. But these, they're by IPAN something. Well, they're an 8 to 9. And I wear a 7.5, and then if something is a different size, I have a tendency to size up versus sizing down. But I love the color on these. Oh my God, this is just such an awesome box. And a pair of earrings. Now this box, I want to say is like $30. If you just get it monthly, it's either 30 or 35. I'll leave everything with the link for $5 off below. And then if you order like 3 months, then it goes down like $5. So this is the best investment. And these cute little lightweight black earrings. And they are the Luxury Divas brand. So just what I opened so far is well worth everything. And I still have a couple more pieces to go. And this is by Yelete. It's in a size large. And I'm thinking it's a dress. I will try this on with the sandals and the jewelry so you can get the whole effect. But this is like the softest thing ever. And look at the sleeves. I can't wait to put this on. And there is one more thing in here by Luxury Diva. Oh my God, this is just like the best box ever. And they really wrapped it well. Is it a belt? I'm thinking it's a belt. I don't know, it looks way too big for a necklace. But we'll find out what this is. Oh my God, this box was awesome. So let's go over everything that is in the box. The blue and white striped relaxed fit dress retails for $40 and it just comes in that blue. Those silver and gray Ipanema flip-flops retail for $20. And the multi-strand Celtic knot chain belt, that's what that last item was. It was a belt, and that retails for $19. The blue crystal glass beaded charm bracelet that I couldn't get on yet. It comes in the blue that I got or purple, and that's $28. The triangle and square black and silver earrings retail for $17. And these awesome sunglasses retail for $20. So this box has a retail value of $141. And again, when you sign up for this, you pick what your sizes, you pick what colors you like. So that way they know when they send you, it's a personalized box. So I am going to try everything on and kind of show you how fun it is, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with the outfit. I have on that cute dress, and I put the belt on, although I don't think I would wear it with the belt. Oh, boyfriend says I should wear it with the belt. And I got my flippers on and this cute bracelet and these super cute earrings. So everything that I am wearing came in the box, and I couldn't be more impressed. So again, thank you guys for watching and have an awesome day.